Are you sure you want to do this, Luke? Over. Shh. I'm sure. They say I was built to fly. Over. Shh. Okay then. Hang on, my driver has to get the camera ready. Over. Shh. You're not going anywhere. Now go to the sheds. I need to have a word with you. I actually have to go now. Shh. Wait, the camera's not ready yet. Shh. I'm going. Shh. Oh boy, here it goes. Hey, get back here. I'm not finished with you yet. Here I come. He's really doing it. He's flying. That was awesome, Adam. You should do it again. Probably not. The manager's quite angry with me. Finn, please like and subscribe. By the way, 1 like equals 1 prayer for the engine that was always left out of my videos. And hopefully one day he will be in one of my videos.